Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Whew, I got Amanda out and it's 25 degrees. So if you appreciate these videos that we do, give us that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. But today we've got a good one. It's a 2026 Venture Stratus, model number 282 VFD. So let's get started. The length on this Stratus is 33 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 7,420 pounds with a hitch weight of 910 with a GVWR of 9,255.
Yeah, guys, of course, we always love to bring you guys a KZ product, so this Venture is not going to disappoint, but I will tell you guys that for our northern friends who are watching this, your weather is in our backyard. Please come get it. We do not do well like this. All right, right up here, we have got a power tongue jack, and of course your propane's going to go behind that cover there. Batteries will mount right down there. You have your pass-through storage here, and I know you think that seems a little small, but I think you're going to like what's going on the inside. For once, this is actually open so we can show you what's behind that little panel.
Yeah.
It's where your connections are. You are going to have 2 rack and pinion slides on this one. Now you've got a dump area under this big slide. Well, that's kind of bad, but that's just where it is. Okay. I've already lost feeling in my face, so let's get this done.
And it looks like there's a pool right here. That's going to be your black tank, looks like.
All right, right here we have got some more storage whenever he quits looking underneath.
That's the sewage, that's the gray tank, sorry.
Okay.
I just want to keep you out in this 25 degrees a little bit more.
Yeah, I made him wait 3 hours before it would actually get above 20 degrees to come out here and do this.
Well, it wouldn't be so bad, but the wind's blowing.
Yes, it is blowing.
Oh, well. Hey.
And then...
Oh, now that's nice.
So this is why if you were a little bit disappointed with that front storage, don't be. You've got all of this here at the back, which is excellent. Now, looking at the back, you do have a ladder so you can get up on the roof, which you don't want to today because it will blow you off. You do have a spare. It is prepped for a backup camera. No towing on this one, and it's not even set up for an accessory rack, but that's okay. Here's the other side of that rear storage, and you see you've got an access panel there that you could be able to get to from the inside.
Yeah.
You are going to have power stabilizers, and your quick connect is right down there. This is going to have dual entry, and the awning is going to be 21 feet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tankless water heater.
Right there. Yes, it is. Oh, wind's blowing. Oh, wind's blowing. Ooh, goodness. And then here's the other side of your front storage. All right.
You ready to go in?
I am ready to go in. This is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the siding on this is gray with some black decals, so it looks really cool.
I believe I'm going to shut the door.
Yeah, we need to shut the door. I don't have enough clothes for this weather. This is not something that we are prepared for. Quick look around though. Here we go. So you can have an idea of this layout.
This is a really cool layout. We have not seen this in a while.
It is really cool. Is this? I think this is sort of new for Stratus.
I don't think so.
Maybe
I think
not.
they've been doing this for a little while.
We just haven't seen it.
No.
So you've got this huge U-shaped dinette right here at the front. Great storage up across the top. Woo! Door just went away. You didn't latch it.
Oh, sorry. Okay. There, I locked it.
Great, now we're locked in. Holy moly. Okay, yeah, so you've got blackout shades up here at the front. You're going to have power, just USB, not C on these. But you're going to have that on both sides. And then you've got this really neat space up here. So if you want to add a lamp or, something like that, you've got that to do it. You cannot get to the storage underneath, but that's perfectly fine. But they do give you shoe storage right as you come in the door. And since we're right back here looking at this, like all dinettes, this will make additional sleeping if you need it, and then their heating is going to be in the floor.
Cool.
All right, let's look over here at your first slide. This is going to have your theater seating in it. Yeah, pull down, so you're going to have... oh, it's cold. Oh my goodness, how slow that is. So yeah, there's going to be a plug-in in there and USB. This is going to have heat and light and USB charging in the arms, which is marvelous. Nice big windows up here. This is going to give you a pantry, which will have adjustable shelving in there. And then we got a 12-volt compressor fridge with the freezer at the bottom.
All right, more I like it. I like these.
Yeah, I do like these. I like those a lot.
There, turned it off finally. I don't think we need it today. We can just set the milk outside.
Yeah, you could. You really, really could.
Before we go much further, I do want to say we got a really great comment the other day. They want to know if we filmed this on a potato.
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what they meant. It's like, no.
We filmed it on an iPhone.
Yeah, which compared to my Android is a potato.
Is a potato. Thank you.
Yes, we have iPhone and Android wars quite often. But anyway, enough of that. This looks like a 40-inch TV.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, so it is going to come out, swivel just a little bit, so you got a little bit of storage right there behind it.
And you can swivel it, take it over here to the table.
Yeah, so you can sit and have a snack and watch TV. Nice window there that's going to look out over your campsite. It will open. Then you've got this space underneath. So this could be prep area or whatever you need it for. Do have a fireplace that is going to pull out, so that gives you some more storage.
That's really cool.
Yes, it is. And then you've got these neat little drawers over here. But hold on, we're not finished with this multi-use area yet.
Are we not?
We are not. So pull the little bungee cord there.
Ooh. Well, how did you
Pull up. Use that. Pull up.
That's good video.
I can't do that with one hand.
There.
There. So, yes. Now you can pull this out. It gives you another little desk area, eating area, with some storage underneath.
Okay.
And then when you don't need it, it just slides right back up in there.
And somehow gets to hook on this.
Yes.
There.
See, just like that. It's not difficult.
I'm sorry.
Moving actually into your kitchen area, of course you've got your microwave up there, some storage, and a 3-burner cooktop with an oven. And yeah, I was about to say somebody has run off with the board, because they always give you a cutting board. Love, love, love. Storage up here.
Oh. There.
Oh, we didn't have all the lights
There
on.
we go.
Now this is not going to have solid surface in here. If you want the solid surface, you have to go up to the
Sport Trek.
Sport Trek.
Yeah.
But this is a great layout. You actually have really nice space back there behind your sink. They give you drawers here
Okay, I like that.
that are covered up by a door. I like that a lot. And then you've got lots of space under the sink for a garbage can.
Okay.
Yeah, here's your AC control and all that's under there. Another USB charging, and then a wireless speaker up there.
Did you show the air conditioner in
I
here?
did not, and that's what I was going to back up to do, because I thought somebody's going to say something. It's like, yes, it's 20 degrees. You don't need the AC today, but there it is. And if you've watched our videos for any length of time, you're going to figure out really quick. We either have 98 degrees or 20. Apparently we have no weather in between. Now this is going to have a pass-through bathroom. This is one of those, we know people, you like them or you don't. It's kind of one of those things.
30 by 32.
Yes. Now there's quite a bit
36.
there's quite a bit of antifreeze in here, so we're not going to track that through. But they did give you a shower curtain in here.
32 by 36.
32 by 36.
Yeah, the same thing as ours.
Yeah. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You do have heating in here also. Medicine cabinet there in the corner. It does have a mirror on the front. Nice good sized sink with a little bit of storage underneath. And then there's some little open storage here. And it does not get the golden plunger because there's no dedicated linen.
Oh, it comes with Level Mate Pro already there.
Oh, nice.
All your controls and your
And a
plugging
nightlight.
in. Yeah.
So a lot of things to like about this little bathroom, but just no linen storage. Okay.
Oh, wow. Look at here.
Venture does some great bedrooms. Their bedrooms always have great layout, great space in here. As you see, this is your second door. We didn't put the steps down just because it's really cold.
But you do have room.
But yes, even with the steps still up, you actually do have some space in here. So we'll just start up here in this corner. You are going to have a TV already mounted in this one. And then you've got this cabinet, which I guess you could probably use for your linen if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Since it is right next to the bathroom. Fuses are going to be down below it. Let me just go ahead and show. This is a king bed. And then you got some storage underneath it. And remember, there was also some storage on the outside of this. You've got some cabinets up above, a shelf on each side, and there is a light for both sides. And then back here at the very, very back, you have got hanging wardrobe down there. Nice cabinet up above it. This great big window.
Oh my goodness.
I love these. I'm not really sure if you want to call that a sofa or a daybed area. But if you like to read, or if you travel with smaller kids, they could sleep on there. Your pets, your giant dog could sleep back there.
That's right.
And then you have a dresser here at the foot of the bed with the hidden drawers.
That's cool.
This is very nice. Could you imagine if you had this backed up at a lake and it was not 20 degrees? How pretty that would be. Instead, we have the interstate out there, which is not very pretty.
Who I think just got
just opened. Yes. I'm not sure when this video will come out, but we have just come through an ice storm. So when you have freezing rain and thunder,
it's not good.
It's not a good combination. Second AC unit up here, and then this is the storage that we showed you from the outside at the back, which is just great. And also we went 3 days with no lights or water, so the fact that we're actually able to get out of the house is really nice right now. Even if my toes are frozen. Alright, so what do you guys think about this Stratus? We really want to hear your opinions on it.
All right, everybody, if you like this Venture Stratus, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.